Succulent plug trays are a specialty of Mountain Crest Gardens. Plugs form when roots bind together around soil in little plastic cells. Most of our plugs are about 1.2 inches wide by 1.5 inches deep. If bought in bulk, they are the most affordable way to get a large variety of rooted succulents. Their small size, established roots, and rigid tray make them very reliable for shipping cross-country. They don't need to be planted immediately upon arrival. The succulents will happily grow in the tray for months with proper care. Plugs are more resilient, mature, and more likely to grow quickly than cuttings because they already have a root structure. You don't have to guess what they are. Most plugs are labeled with plant names. Finally, plugs are easy to remove from the tray. This is one of our popular Semper Vivum plug trays. It always includes a variety of texture, color, and cultivars. Semper Vivum rosettes typically range from 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter and are generally smaller in winter months. As you can see, each plug has a strong root system that holds the soil together. However, not all our plugs are the same size. In our mini plug tray, each plug is 0.9 inches wide and 1.5 inches deep. Here is the soft succulent plug tray. It includes a diverse selection of our tender varieties. The plug size is the same 1.2 inch diameter as our Semper Vivum plugs. However, the actual plant size can vary significantly. There are limitless ways to use succulent plugs. You can easily plant up centerpieces, create vertical planters, wreaths, rock gardens, miniature gardens, terrariums, fill in cracks in walls, plant hanging baskets, even drop them into small pots for gifts or party favors. Or just plant one up in your favorite pot and watch it grow. The possibilities are endless. If you want to learn more about succulents, subscribe to our videos below.